2012 GLK Class. Based on the C-Class, the GLK joins the small upscale SUV class. Its smooth 268 horsepower 3.5-liter V6 delivers quick acceleration. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, anti-lock braking system, traction control, keyless entry, power passenger seat, all-wheel drive, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, floor mats, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, climate control, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, heated front seats, fog lamps. Your new ride is just a phone call away.